In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your project work onto your website. To begin with, you're going to need several tabs open. The first being your website. Once you get to your website, you're going to navigate to the page that you created for your exploratory class. If you did not create a page for this class, please pause the video, create the page, and then pick up right where you left off. The next tab that you will need is Schoology. Once again, navigate to our class. We're going to need a few different things. In the robotics folder, you're going to go to the Edison Obstacle Course Challenge and open the folder labeled Obstacle Course Videos. This is where the videos that you created of the Edison navigating your obstacle course will live. Back in Schoology, you are also going to need to open the SLC Prep folder. To begin with, we will need the SLC Title and Learning Target document. I've typed these out for you, so all you will need is to copy and paste. You will not need to type them again. The last tab you will need is EdScratch with the program open that you used to program your Edison to navigate your obstacle course. Now, let's begin adding the project information to your website. The first thing I'm going to need to add is the title and learning target. To do that, I will need a text box. From there, if I jump to that document where the title and learning target are typed, I can highlight those and use the Control-C on my keyboard to copy them. I go back to my website and use Control-V to paste them into the text box. Now, they don't look particularly eye-catching, so I can highlight the title, and right next to where it says normal text, if I click the little arrow, I will make that a title. My learning target could use a little more interesting, and I made that a subheading. I'm actually going to shrink the size just a bit so it all fits on one line. Now I'm ready to put the other items on my website, including my video and then a screenshot of the code that I will be showing during my SLC. The first thing I need to do is navigate to the videos in the folder where they were shared with you. I am going to select the share option to the right of the title of the video for my group. It opens this window and I can copy the link. Now I go back to my website. I click in the white space below my title to make sure that my video will be embedded in that space. I use the embed function. Then I use Control-V to paste the link to my video. You can see it shows me a preview, and I insert it. Now, the purpose of doing it this way is that once I publish my website, I will be able to play the video directly from my website without having to click or navigate anywhere else during my presentation. The next item I'll need is a screenshot of the code that I used to program Edison to go through that obstacle course. This time I go to EdScratch. I use the Shift, Control, and Multi-Screen button to capture a screenshot of my code. Then I go back to my website. I click in the white space where I would like that image to be. I select Images, Upload. Then I find that particular screenshot either in my downloads or my recent. I open it up. Oh, it ended up on the bottom. I'm going to just drag it up here. Then I'm going to enlarge it so that it's easier to read. And now I have the code and the video right next to each other, so I can use them both for my demonstration during my SLC. Now that I have everything on my website, the most important part in order to make this work smoothly during my presentation, I need to publish the site. I go up to this bluish purple publish button in the right-hand corner and I click it. And it shows me what I've currently built and what it looks like on the web now. When I click publish, it's going to take my draft and publish it. Now you'll notice my video is still not playable in the editor version of the website. I need to go to this little arrow to the right of publish and select view published site. This will show me what it looks like on the internet, and this is what I will use during my presentation. And when I click play here, the video will